It's all about what you can find whenever you're on the road. So sit back, kick up your feet, come to my campfire, and let's enjoy some travel adventures. Good morning, adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. This morning I'm waking up a little slow. I'm the first to admit that. I slept really well last night, but there was this gentle lull of the wind and it definitely rocked me to sleep but kept me asleep for a while. So this morning I woke up and I was using up the last little bit of the things that I brought with me. I had something that leaked in my refrigerator, so I have to deal with that today. I don't have anything else in here, so I think we're gonna be good. The cheese will have to go back in here, as will those last little couple things, but right now I've got them sitting out. So this is gonna be weird. I don't like when things leak. I don't even know what exactly happened because I had one thing in both sides. So that's gonna be fun, and it could be kind of stinky because when I opened it up a while ago I was like, oh, there's definitely a weird food smell, but you know what, it is what it is. Kind of just have to deal with it. In the meantime, I'm waiting on my breakfast to cook, and I made enough where I could just use the rest of it as leftovers because again, I wanted to use up what was in here. So I will take whatever's left, I'll put it into a container, and we will lay it extra flat so it doesn't leak again, because that's an unfortunate discovery. But for now, time to get to cleaning. I thought about taking some like paper towels and just absorbing, but instead I took some of these because these have disinfectant stuff on them. Supposedly, according to this, it is gonna be better. I don't know. I mean, ultimately, either way, it's gross. I normally also have gloves that I could wear. I don't know where I put them. They're somewhere in here. So instead of stressing out about it, I'm just going to work on that. So I learned a lesson, and now it's time for me to correct the wrongdoings that I have. So I think I'm actually going to take off my robe now. It's getting warm enough where I don't need it. This has been so cozy. I do have my thicker robe in here as well. I've been trying out this one as kind of like a, ooh, when it's warm, and then the other one's for, oh, when it's chilly. So I may leave this one in the bus, but this was perfect. Last night I just enjoyed just being cozy inside and just having a really good relaxing night. If you saw yesterday's video, you already saw what that looked like at my campsite, so but let's get this done. I don't want to, but we got to do it. First things first. Okay, that way I don't end up draping a sleeve because that would be worse than anything. I went ahead and put these on this morning because I wanted to go ahead and get dressed, but at the same time I was like, ooh, it's kind of got a little bit chill still. This was perfect for now. It can go there. I'll deal with it in a minute. Whew. I don't know what today's gonna look like. I really don't. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do too much because it's super windy. Story of my life. But at the same time, even just being out camping has been so refreshing. Had a lot of stuff going on, as you guys can see, and just getting out into nature is so helpful. So I'm gonna get this taken care of. I have a little bit of noise out on this road this morning. I'm not sure what's going on. It sounds like there's more traffic than what I was expecting. So I may move on after after today. We'll see. We'll see. But let's get to cleaning.
Okay, don't mind me. I've, like I said, already put some stuff in there. Ooh, it is working. It's absorbing. This one too. That one's gross. That one's super gross. I know what this was. I don't know what that was. Okay, the smell is not pleasant, but it's not terrible. So let's get this done. First things first, I'll wash my hands as soon as I'm finished with this. Oh, these are real wet. So I'm just gonna put them into this and I'll immediately dispose of this as soon as I get an opportunity to. Until then, I'll tie it up and put it in the front so it doesn't leak anywhere. Same thing here. Take these out. Okay, this one is not as bad, but it's still gross. Definitely have more work to do over here. You know, one of the things that I have figured out is in the morning, if it's cool, I can make breakfast and it warms up the bus and it feels good. So this works kind of like a little mini heater. I would not use it as a heater though, guys. Don't use your oven as a heater, but if you are needing to use it, let's just wipe everything down while we're at it. If you are needing to heat up in the morning, just make breakfast. It's so good. And this is gonna be delightful. These are just some little beef, green chili, potato burritos. Got them at Sam's. And I always usually make my burritos first before I leave out, but on this particular trip, it was like, we already have some. So let's just go with these. We're gonna see if they're any good. I don't know. They're the same brand that we get typically from Walmart, but they're in a green container instead of a red container. The red ones are good. I'm hoping the green ones are. Potatoes sometimes can be flavorless though, so we'll see. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing today. Just little tasks to get myself together so that I can work on stuff, figure out where I'm going. I only have a couple more days until Riley arrives, so I wanted to kind of come out, check out a new campsite, see something different. And in the meantime, I wanted to be able to kind of just take an unplug moment. Again, been super busy working on some cool stuff, but with that also comes a lot of responsibility and I'm just kind of overwhelmed. So I needed a break. So I'm glad that I was able to come out and, oh, that was almost bad. Even if it's just for a short time, come out, kind of do some stuff, kind of just enjoy camping. One of the reasons why I started camping way back in 2017 was because I really needed to just kind of see the world. And now I camp because I want to see the world, but also because I want to be able to experience new things. And sometimes just being out in nature is very transformative. It's helpful. It feels very healing. And so when you're stressed out, just go outside, enjoy the breeze, see something different, but also be mindful that nature can not always work with you. Again, the wind has just been a lot lately. Collie and I went through, let's see, windy day, stormy day, transformed into tornado day, and then we had really hot day. So like it's been all the seasons here in Texas all at once, and it's been kind of hard. And I'm kind of welcoming the challenges of Texas, but at the same time, I'm kind of going, okay, this is going to make my life real weird while I'm around. So I've been looking at some other places that I am interested in going that I could work with my time frame on. So I have a couple ideas. I don't know if they're going to work out or not, but I've been kind of looking for some unique things that we can do. I have some cool stuff that are like local things also that I've never gone to on the channel, but I might have gone to like in person before. So I want to share some of those with you guys. So we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. But in the meantime, nothing is going to happen until I get this thing finished. And I'm about to dive into the gross side. So van life / bus life, camping just in general can be gross sometimes, just like a regular sticks and bricks. So I'm about to get into the super gross part. Wish me luck. I don't like to use paper towels like this, but I think that's the only thing that's going to get it. So here we go. Okay, here we go. Let's see. That's going to be gross. That's going to be really gross. We're just going to let it sit for a second, see how much it pulls up naturally, and then I'll ew. Meantime, I kind of think this will work on that bunny hook back there. It's not heavy, so it might work. And if I bring this along in the future, maybe that's where it could stay when I'm not using it. Let's find out. Okay, let's see. Is it going to be too heavy for this? I don't think so. I think that'll work. You know, one of the things that I figured out along the way is that in the mornings, I can either open up a little bit of the windows or I can open up the front. And I've been kind of enjoying just opening up the front and letting natural light filter in. That way I'm not like bombarded and blasted by the brightness of the light. It also allows me to kind of wake up more naturally and slowly as opposed to being like, hi guys, I'm awake. This morning I opted out of coffee. I didn't really need it. And I think that a large part of that is because of the natural way that I'm waking up here. So I might try this a little bit more often. Not to mention if I happen to be at some point pulled into like a Cracker Barrel or a Walmart or something like that, I don't want to open up all my windows at the Walmarto and just have everybody being able to see in. The tint on the windows does help with that, but at the same time, you know, until I'm really ready to get moving, it's unnecessary. So just having a single window or the front, super nice. Definitely gives me options. Just been trying out all sorts of different things, you know. So we'll see how this goes, but oh,
The food is starting to smell good. I used some of my leftovers from last night, recipe that eventually I'll show you guys. And then also those burritos, finished off my green chili sauce, finished off a couple other things. Probably won't finish this off, so this will have to go back in the fridge. But for now, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, absorbency update. It did help quite a bit. Still a lot in there. May have to use a few more paper towels, but that's way better than it was. So let's move immediately into the bag. Ew, 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 ew. Let's get some more paper towels. Okay, let's see if this will get it now. Let's put that in the back and let it absorb. We're doing good. We are doing good. However, ew, just gross. In the meantime, oh yeah, that's gonna be good once it's finished. It's not finished yet, but it's gonna be good. Also, this morning I have this like unicorn horn. Woohoo! Kind of ironic because unicorns are kind of my thing too. For those of you who haven't been around since the beginning, you probably didn't see my series of weird unicorn shirts that I used to wear. I have so many little unicorn things. I've always liked bright colors, fun things, and at some point, even though I am Bunny, I also had this like overarching theme of unicorns and turtles. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of a funny haha, but I actually have one of the most meaningful gifts that was ever given to me is by one of my friends that you've seen on the channel before. His name is Nebraska, and he gave me this snow globe that said anything is possible, and it had a little unicorn and played the Beautiful Dreamer song, and it's still one of the most iconic gifts that anybody's ever gotten me just because it did have such a deep symbolic meaning, and I really truly do live by that. Anything is possible, and you can do anything if you just try. You just got to keep going and don't necessarily focus on the destination, but more so the journey. And so yeah, unicorns. I'm reminded of it sometimes when my hair is doing the weirdness. Oh well, it is what it is, but I'm getting hungry, guys. I'm definitely getting hungry, so I'm really ready to eat. And again, I don't know what today's gonna look like whatsoever, so we'll see. I may end up having to change if I get some of this junk on me though, so cross your fingers that we don't have to change. I should have thought about that before, but at the same time, I am glad that I'm wearing regular clothes versus my jam jams, because the worst thing you could do is get your jam jams dirty and then you don't have like extras of everything. Usually I carry at least 2 sets of jam jams with me. Currently, I only have 1, so that would be really bad. So I'd rather get this dirty than that, but they're not get dirty at all. Does that make sense? But sometimes, guess what? Shuttle stuff is dirty stuff. Okay, this is definitely working now. I feel so much more confident in this. We've almost gotten all of it. And this is why whenever I have a bag of anything, I not only clip it, but I put it into a bag. I did not do that, and this is what happened. Like I mentioned before, I know what happened here. I had a bag of veggies that were not finished, and I left them out enough where they were defrosted just enough to have some like juiciness to them. Yeah, that happened. Then I put them back in here thinking, okay, cool. And then guess what happened? I didn't put them in a bag. I just put the little chip clip on it. And because there was the juiciness, it took too long to refreeze. And then I managed to move stuff around and knock it over. Hence the juice in the bottom. So that's all like veggie juice. Veggie juice, veggie juice. It's kind of like VeggieTales, only juice, you know? Speaking of which, I think today we need a song of the day, because we definitely need a song of the day if I'm having to put in this much work before I even eat breakfast. Think about that for a couple minutes while I finish sanitizing everything, and then put the things that need to go in here, and then plug myself back in. Now, I always unplug my fridge whenever I'm cleaning it, just because I don't want to sit there and expend the extra energy. So I moved my power station up front temporarily. It's out of the way. I gave myself a nice space. I moved my pillows. I did all those things, and that way I don't have to worry about bumping into anything. I can just clean. I like to focus on the task at hand. So I think I'm gonna finish this. It shouldn't take me more than like 10 more minutes to do this, get it nice and sanitized, then we can get it all set back up, and then I should be able to eat breakfast by then. I'm hearing a lot of sizzling. Okay, till I plug it in. Oops. Till I plug it in, we are done with both of these compartments. Probably need to get some more disinfecting wipes because I'm almost out, so need to add that to my list. Got to fix my paper towels. Keeping this out because I'm about to put it on top. I think we're in good shape. But song of the day.
So fast, not so fast. I got to tie this up and get this off of this area. Then song of the day. Okay, first and foremost, let's do this. Make sure we don't have a paper towel ghost. And then fix our talk to the fluff towel. Okay, that's good.
Okay, for my song of the day, I'm kind of struggling today because normally I wake up with some random soundtrack in my mind. That did not happen today. I think in that case, I have to go with the last song that I heard. And last night, I watched the movie Sinners. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's a vampire movie. And normally I don't watch anything scary when I'm out on the road. But I've already seen this movie and I wanted to watch it again again. And the reason why I wanted to watch it again was because I had been watching all the awards season stuff, and I saw all of this interesting information coming out through interviews about Michael B. Jordan. Michael B. Jordan actually performed 2 characters. He was twins in this movie, so 2 separate people. There's so many things that he did to change his physical person to be both these characters, to make them so different. And he ended up winning Best Actor, and it was just this really cool story. And so I was like, let me go watch again to go see if I can spot these little differences. Like, for example, he wore shoes that were a different size, so his physical walk would be different. He actually held his jaw differently, so he had dimples that he naturally created on his own face for one character, but not the other, that also changed the way that he spoke. And the characters, the brothers, couldn't be more different. One is stern, one is fast. It's kind of a weird thing. Again, the movie's not going to be for everyone because it's a vampire movie by Ryan Coogler, but it's a very good movie. And I watched it again and I was like, I really like this soundtrack. It has the best Delta Blues soundtrack like ever. And the key song that they played at the Oscars that was just such a neat one to watch was called I Lied to You. I think that's what it is. I Lied to You. Anyway, that's the song of the day because I was just obsessed with that. I ended up watching the movie again. I watched the live performance again. I got truly obsessed with it. I loved it so much. So that's our song of the day. So if you're interested in all the songs of the day, as always, there's a link in the description. You can go there to Apple Music and listen to all of our different songs, and I'll just keep adding to it as we go. But yeah, if you haven't seen that movie and you kind of like vampire movies, it's a little different, but at the same time, it's good. It's really good. And the cinematography was so good. The music, amazing. And overall, just knowing kind of the stories behind the movie made it even more intriguing to me because I'm kind of a geek when it comes to those kind of things. I have always enjoyed learning odd things. As we do brain wrinkles on the channel, you've seen that. But additionally, I really love movies. It's one of my favorite things. I've always just been like, ooh, 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 ooh. So yeah, finding out how people have their method to their madness, super cool, super good. And that's our song. With that, I think the food is ready. I hope it is ready. It smells too good to not be ready. If that's the case, I'm gonna have to put it up here, or better yet, I'll put it on the table. So I'll move this to the table. So here we go. And then I'll just set up shop here. Okay, I'll put this over here too, so I can dress it accordingly. And let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is delightful. Woohoo! This is gonna be so good. Let me get it all set up and then I'll show it to you guys. But, ooh, yes. I probably need to get some more things for my fridge because I only brought enough stuff to eat a short amount of things. I have dry goods, but yeah, after the refrigerator incident, I'm definitely gonna need some more things. So I might definitely have to go today. A little bit of this. With that said, I think I'm gonna have to let this cool off just a little bit because it is very hot. We're gonna let it sit for a minute. I'll eat my lunch and then I'll tell you guys what's up next. That might be us leaving. That might be us working on a project. That might be me figuring out my life. Either way, we're good to go, at least when it comes to this. So yay.